Alright guys, we got the back cover tore off. And this wood was rotten. Replacing it. We got old Chuck Taylor working on the side pieces. We'll probably get those in today, buttoned up. And probably gonna call it a wrap. So we probably gotta go to work tomorrow. Little boards is rotten, I gotta replace those. These. Making these now. Use this one as a template. Kind of judge what we needed to judge. Probably gonna make us a new box. Fix this one up for a cord. Make it look good. Got the piece that goes across the back. I'll throw some pictures in here too. Yeah, got some taken earlier. There's the bed. Bed over there. Yeah, man. We're gonna get this all wrapped up today. It won't be put back together today. It's gonna be next weekend before I can get it all together. Then I gotta start on the front. That'll be the two major projects. It's not too bad. Thought it was gonna be a lot worse. It wasn't too bad at all. Alright guys, thanks.